Well, hello everyone. I'm doing a quick update. Since my last video, I did not get really anything done. This quarantine stuff kind of gave me a little bit of depression, and so I'm trying to get out of it, slowly getting out of it. Had a week of migraines, so that didn't help anything. So, let me see if I can't flip the camera around and show you what I got going on. Alright, so today is April 17th, 2020. And we went to Home Depot and we got the boards, some more boards and fencing in the tin to finish this coop. Usually it'll only take me 2 to 3 days to do a whole coop, but it has taken me almost a month to do this. Yeah, so I can't explain why, but I am going to do it this week for sure. There's nothing really new on my chickies. I did move over my Americana Easter eggers from the turkey pen. So y'all can see there's a lot of room now. And my turkeys, I'll show you them. If y'all remember, they were babies when they were babies. There's 1, 2, 3. I still have Nemo in here. And then that row, I have him sold to someone. And then that row decided to get in the box. I'll have to clean that up later. So all of my Americanas are in there. I have one on some silky eggs, which is silly. Yeah, they do what they want to do. There's Tom. He's still outside. Sorry for spinning around, making y'all dizzy. There's Tom. He was not happy whenever I sold a couple chickens today. He tried to get them out of the box. And then in here, there's my Silky Mama. And she has a baby. Don't bite me. And I don't think it is a silky baby. It could be. I don't know. Yes it is. I do remember correctly. It is a silky baby. And if y'all remember the mamas that was in here with her, well, they abandoned their babies. So I had to put their babies in the indoor coops. We've been still trying to catch the rest of the roosters. And haven't caught them all. Have one escaped. I don't know where it went. And then the other one is somewhere. But one day we will get them sold. I have a pen. Those 3 roosters that are needing a home. Oh, look at Shay Shay. Shay Shay is the golden hen. She is a miniature Bantam. I just got her for Hey Hey, and soon they will go in the red pen whenever I get this other pen fixed for them. Those are the frizzles. Look how grown they've gotten. I'm gonna go to the other side. Just a second. So that's Little Big Bird and what's his name? Tiger King. Yeah. Then a friend of mine gave me 4 Barred Rock hens, and I think they're going to be miniature Bantam hens, or just Bantam size, because they're supposed to be close to 4 months now, and they're small. But anyways, we did get an egg from Shay Shay the other day. Anyways, yeah, that's what I got going on. So stay tuned. Hopefully I can figure out a way to record building that pen, and I'll update y'all later. Oh, one more thing. I figured out a name for our farm. We're going to call it Pence Poultry Farms. So anyway, we will catch y'all later. Say bye, hey, hey. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Look at the little babies. Those are turkeys. That's a turkey. And then I've got some reds and silkies and blue Americana.